Do you need some inspiration for decorating your planner and you see some great ideas, but you're just not sure how to incorporate that into your planner spread? Well, in this video, we are snatching a planner spread from Desiree at Happy to Plan. Thank you so much to Tamra at the Paper and Pen Girl for putting together this awesome collaboration. Hashtag use all the stickers collaboration snatched edition. So what we're going to be doing, me along with Tamra at the Paper and Pen Girl and a whole bunch of other planner babes, we're each putting together a video showing you how to use another planner spread to either match it or use it for inspiration in your planner. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new videos every week about planning and productivity. I will link Desiree's video up here in the cards and show you a screenshot so that we can take a look at her spread and why I want to use it for inspiration. What I liked about Desiree's spread is that she is using a couple of elements that we're going to snatch and use in our planner spread this week in the wild styled vertical happy planner. First up, I like to choose a theme. If you like Desiree's plan with me, you can use the Happy Hostess stickers that she used if you want to match it exactly. Or if you want to take inspiration from her planner spread, that's what I'm doing in this video, starting with the stripes. So I couldn't find a bunch of stripe stickers. I looked through all the sticker books. But the part that I wanted to use as inspiration was the stripes. And what I decided to do was to use paper. So I found this paper pad at Michael's from the Recollections brand. And there were some striped pages in here. So we're going to take the striped paper out of this paper pad, and that is going to be the background for our striped boxes. So that's the first element that I'm snatching from that spread. The next element that we're going to snatch is the decorative part of the clusters. So we're going to take some of these Halloween stickers from this fall sticker book for the decorative part of our inspiration. And the third part from those sticker clusters is the boxes. So we're going to have some striped backgrounds, some decorative Halloween stickers, and some colorful boxes to match in our inspired spread. So we're starting off with the striped background. You can use any paper or striped stickers if you want to use that design element in your spread. I decided to go with striped paper. I'm going to take the Happy Planner punch and punch out some boxes with the stripes going in different directions. So we're going to take from our inspiration spread, we're going to do 5 clusters. Look see how it has like a really pretty shimmer to it? I love this, I'm so excited. We're gonna go different directions. So instead of 5 of the same background, so we've got the stripes going different directions. Let's do like a diagonal one. We might have to trim this way so I can get that. Okay, so I cut this corner on an angle so I can make a diagonal box also. Now we have our 5 boxes to use as background in our clusters with stripes going different directions. I already love this. Okay, so I laid out where the boxes will go and I haven't glued them down or taped them down yet. We'll be using this tape in just a minute, the Tombow Monopermanent Adhesive, because we want to use the washi tape inspiration from Desiree's spread also. And she has used 2 different washi tapes. She has a stripe and like a quote. So I'm using these Halloween washi tapes also from Michael's and Recollections. We're going to take this one that says Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat and the stripe, and we're going to copy Desiree's inspiration, and we're going to put the striped washi here, here, and here, and the decorative washi on the opposite rows. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm going to washi around the boxes and then tape the boxes down. Okay, our washi tape is down, our boxes are placed. I'm gonna go ahead and tape them up with the Tombow Monopermanent Adhesive. I think I'm happy with the placement. Last box going into place. Awesome. Leave a comment down below and tell me how you get your planning inspiration. When you're watching videos or scrolling through Instagram and you see something beautiful, do you like to match the spread exactly and get all the stickers to make sure you can do the same spread, or do you like to pull elements from that spread for inspiration in your planner? Leave a comment down below. Next up, I would normally put checklists or bullet points, and Desiree did in her spread. However, I'm not going to in this spread because I really want to focus on those sticker clusters, and so I'm going to skip the checklists and bullet points for this spread. But of course, if you like them, add them in. So let's go right on to my favorite, decorative stickers. So I thought it would be cool if each one of these boxes had their own theme. So we'll have like a pumpkin and a skeleton and a spiders and a candy, and then we'll have to use a kitty cats. We use the kitty cats from back here. There's one left. Let's start with the kitty cat because they're so cute. So if you haven't watched my monthly spread, we did a Halloween spread, which I will link up in the cards so you can watch that for October. It turned out so cute. We used all these kitty cat stickers. So I'm trying to get this one. Now, in our inspiration spread, there were some boxes, some clusters with the box on top, some with the decorations layered over, some with the decorations layered underneath. So all bets are off. You can do whatever you like. So I think I kind of want our kitty cat to be kind of a focal point. So maybe here, and then a box sticker. So we need to think about where our box sticker is going. And since we want our kitty cat to show up, let's layer the box underneath. So I like these black boxes for the spread, and then our decorative will be colorful. So I'm going to get one of these big squares to layer, and then our kitty cat will go something like this. I thought would be cool. Did it go this way? Yes, I think something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the decorative sticker on the box, and then layer that on the background. I love it. I love it. This is so exciting. Okay, so since we have an orange kitty on this side, let's put the orange pumpkins on this side, and let's put them over here. Now let's layer these kind of like how Desiree had layered her flowers. So we'll take one pumpkin, we're going to trim an edge off of it like this so that we can layer, make it look like it's layered behind the box. So we'll just trim this pumpkin, layer it right here. Oops. Layer it right here against the box, so it looks like the pumpkin is behind the box. And then we'll do that again with another pumpkin on this side of the box. Something like that. So we'll just trim a little bit off of this one, maybe like this much, and we'll put it over here, kind of towards the bottom so we still have plenty of space for writing. I love it. Now, let's add a box here, and maybe this one will go this way. All right, let's do the spiders on Monday. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna grab the box, and let's have the spider hanging from the top of the square with just the little eyeballs in the box, so it can look at our things to do on Monday. And then we'll hang it from the top of the box, maybe off one of these directions. Okay, I moved the spider down just a little bit. I love that. So let's add a couple more spiders on there. So we'll put one like, let's put one over here. And then let's put one up in this corner too. All right, next up, let's do our creepy skulls. We'll grab a couple of those. Maybe we'll cluster those together this way. And let's grab a box. Maybe this box will be going a different direction. So let's do something different like that. Since we have our diagonal, we'll make our box diagonal too. Last but not least, let's use these candy, I guess they're like lollipops with a little bit of purple, and I think we'll use a purple quote as well. So how do we want to use these this time? Let's peel up this corner a little bit and we'll just stick it underneath so that it's kind of behind the square. And let's grab a couple more of them, maybe all three, at least two. Okay, let's layer this one underneath this box, and then we'll layer another one on top of the box. Then let's put this box like that. All right, in our inspiration spread, there is a quote and a checklist in the column over here, so we're going to add those in as well. I like this box with the little spiders. This will be our little spider area. And this says "Creep It Real," and so does that. So I think I'm gonna cover up this one and then put this big one over it. And then that will go over here, something like that. So let me place this down, and then Tombow mono correction tape. Now our inspiration spread has some more decorative stickers over here, and we have more, so let's use them. Let's put another spider up here to cover up that note, and it can hang straight from the October, and then I'll trim it to fit. Let's put a couple more pumpkins in this corner, and let's layer them. We have two more, and then I think these pumpkins will need a spider also. Let's grab this little candy cane to go with the pumpkin. All right, I want to trim both of these so that they are kind of coming out of the side of this box. I actually like the candy cane without the pumpkin. In our inspiration spread, there are some words throughout the spread, so I thought we could grab a couple of these boxes that say errands, to-do list, remember, those kind of things. At least the purple, so that we have purple on that side and this side. So now they could be on our clustered boxes, or they can go somewhere else. Maybe we'll put them here so that we'll have a place to write elsewhere. Where do we need a to-do list? For the weekend, Saturday? This is where I like it the best, so I'm putting it right here. Let's put this orange remember on this side. This one will layer over this box. Look, this will be perfect. And there is a circle in the corner of our inspiration spread over here, and it says "Buy Halloween candy," and we already have our candy there. So I want to trim it so that it'll fit in the box. Like that. Let's go ahead and add this one on this page so we have a circle on both pages. And there you have it, your hashtag use all the stickers collaboration snatched edition. Oh my gosh, you guys, my OCD kicked in and I could not let it go. So I found some checklists in the Colorful Boxes book and I added one on each page, and now my life's complete. So make sure you check out the Paper and Pen Girl to learn all about the collaboration, and then check out all the other videos in the collaboration as they are posted throughout the month of October. Next up on Monday is Myra Plans It. I will have a link to her channel in the description box, along with a link to Tamra at the Paper and Pen Girl and Desiree at Happy to Plan. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free Power Plan checklist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!